Welcome to the final piece of the planning puzzle with this course, Job Planning Fundamentals, Job Package Management. As a planner, you're the linchpin in transforming approved work scope into safely executed projects. This course equips you to lead your team effectively. We'll discuss crucial areas such as operations contribution to planning, shutdown, decontamination, and LOTO, lockout, tagout fundamentals, safe work permits, quality assurance and control, accountability and responsibility in planning, quality management systems, and job package tracking and distribution. You'll learn to create executable job packages that ensure safety and effectiveness from maintenance to capital projects. Understand your role in the entire process from initial planning to plant restart. Are you ready to become the planning professional your team relies on? Let's elevate your skills in job package management, where standard work meets success.